1978, this particular department of IIT Delhi rivals even the IIMs. It has a 4.4-star rating from students on Shiksha.com. What makes the Department of Management Studies a standout MBA choice? Let's find out, beginning with a 4.3-star rated placements. The 2022-23 placements saw a lineup of industry giants such as Amazon, BlackRock, Barclays, IBM and Capgemini. Leading the charge, IT and analytics sector secure over 24% of the total placements, followed by sales and marketing, strategy, finance and then operations and general management. Standout achievements include a cent % placement rate and the highest salary package of 41.13 lakhs. On the other hand, the median salary settled at 24.45 lakhs, showcasing around 19% jump from the previous year. Compared to IIM Lucknow, DOMS holds its ground with competitive median salary figures. Students praise the supportive placement cell for organizing seminars and providing ample opportunities. The stellar alumni roster with placements at PepsiCo, EY, Infosys, Amazon, HCL and ICICI Bank speaks volumes of its success. Top roles include consulting, strategy, marketing and IT, featuring in-demand profiles like data analyst, product specialist and more. For the 2022-24 batch, the highest internship stipend exceeded 4 lakh per annum, with female candidates averaging 3.07 lakhs, well above the overall median of 2.7 lakhs. DMS offers 2 full-time MBA courses, one general and another focused on telecommunication systems. The MBA General program offers 5 specializations for students to specialize in their field of interest. The MBA Telecommunication program collaborates with IIT Delhi's engineering departments and Bharati School of Telecom Technology and Management for expertise. Admission requires clearing CAT, written ability tests and personal interviews. Eligibility mandates a minimum 60% score in an undergraduate degree. The CAT cutoff trend indicates sustained cutthroat competition among candidates striving for admission seats. Interestingly, this highlights a clear preference among management aspirants for DMS over IIM Lucknow based on cutoff analysis. DMS's 2-year MBA General costs 12 lakhs, promising exceptional first-year returns with a median salary of 24.45 lakhs per annum. Let's have a look at the 4.5-star rated infrastructure. Located within IIT Delhi's 320-acre campus in Haus Khas, DMS enjoys seamless connectivity amidst modern as well as historical landmarks such as JLN Sports Complex and Qutub Minar. Students praise the department's infrastructure and facilities, including air-conditioned lecture theatres, cutting-edge research labs, an information system and data science lab and a center for excellence. Students have access to software packages and DBs including SPSS, eViews, Bloomberg, AMOS to name a few. The campus boasts of 16 hostels with amenities like reading room, indoor games, dining halls, TV rooms and internet access. While students find the mess food average, the numerous food courts on campus offer a welcome respite. Coming to the 4.3-star rated faculty and curriculum. Students praise the faculty for its expertise and enthusiasm, making lecture fun, engaging and insightful. Many faculty members hold PhDs from prestigious institutes like IITs and IIMs. The curriculum is industry-focused, featuring real-world case studies, live projects and a blend of traditional and modern management methods. The curriculum also has a global field study program which offers international exposure to various countries. Let's have a look at the campus life, which is rated 4.4 stars by students. DMS hosts clubs for finance, marketing and quiz, enriching student life and providing a break from the rigorous academic schedule. The department organizes major events including media and HR conclaves along with the annual cultural fest. Compared to 2022, DMS slipped by 1 rank but still manages to be among the country's top 5 B schools on NIRF. For more details on DMS IIT Delhi and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.